up guys? Welcome back to my channel, John & Drinks, kung saan tuturuan kayo ng tips and tutorials on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar. So if you're new to this channel, please click the like and subscribe button and let's make some cocktails guys. For today, papakita ako sa inyo paano gumawa ng old-fashioned cocktail. So, ang gagamitin nating baso is old-fashioned glass or rock glass. Let's put some ice para lumamig yung baso. So, itong cocktail na to guys is stirred. And quick trivia guys, alam nyo ba na ang old-fashioned ay ang isa sa mga pinaka-matandang cocktail at isa sa mga pinaka-classic cocktail? Na-invento siya noong 18th century. And also guys, if you are a bartender, dapat alam nyo kahit paano gumawa ng proper old-fashioned. Simple lang ang ingredients niya guys, pero kapag hindi tama ang paggawa mo ng cocktail, hindi masarap. Titignan ka lang ng bartender. Yeah, gawa mo. So first ingredient is sugar. So guys, pwede naman kayo ditong gumamit ng sugar syrup or sugar cubes or kahit anong sugar, basta white sugar. O depende na lang guys kung anong klaseng sugar gusto nyo gamitin. Lalagay natin is 1 teaspoon. And next is Angostura bitters. Guys, ano ba ang Angostura bitters or bitters? Ang bitter is concentrated alcohol siya at mataas din siya alcohol percent. Isa siya sa mga flavoring sa cocktail. So kung ikukumpara natin siya sa kitchen, parang ang bitters ay salt and pepper sa kitchen. Lalagyan nyo lang konti sa cocktail, pwede niyang ma-enhance yung cocktail at makakapagdagdag siya ng flavor. So ito is 44.7 alcohol. So ang ilalagay natin sa cocktail is around 3 dashes. And next is, lagyan natin ng konting water para ma-dissolve yung sugar. And alam nyo ba guys, sa whiskey, ang paglalagay ng konting water is nakakatulong to minsan ma-enhance yung taste ng whiskey. Hindi ko alam paano explain guys, pero nasa science na yun at scientifically proven na yun. So, kung iinom kayo ng whiskey, pwede nyo dagdagan ng konting water para ma-open up niya pa yung flavor at no taste ng whiskey. Totoo yun guys, try nyo. So, let's dissolve our sugar. So next is alcohol. Ang gagamitin nating alcohol dito guys is whiskey. Maraming klaseng whiskey guys, pero for old fashioned, ang pinaka-common na whiskey na ginagamit sa old fashioned is Bourbon whiskey. Bakit Bourbon? Kasi ang Bourbon guys is gawa sa 51% corn, so naturally medyo matamis siya. So sok siya sa lasa ng old fashioned, or depende na lang yun guys kung anong klaseng whiskey gusto nyo gamitin, nasa preference nyo na lang yun. So ilalagay natin is 2 ounce. And let's put some ice. So let's stir our cocktail guys for around 20 to 30 seconds. But ini-stir natin guys. Guys, especially kung gagawin yung cocktail is more on spirit, ayaw nyo siyang i-shake para mas makuha nyo yung smoothness ng cocktail or yung smoothness ng spirit. Have a quick taste. Let's strain our glass guys. Strain to the glass guys. And for garnish is orange peel and cherry, pero ang ilalagay ko lang dito is orange peel. Ang gagawin ko guys is i-flame ko yung orange peel sa baso. Bakit yung ginagawa guys? Para makadagdag siya ng aroma sa cocktail at caramelization, mas ma-burn kasi binaburn natin yung peel. makakadagdag siya ng flavor at ilagay natin sa glass. There you go guys, old-fashioned cocktail. Tikman natin. I'm a man. Oh, the gentleman, I'm the gentleman. So yun guys, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, and if you want to see more videos on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Maraming salamat po, and see you in the next video guys. Cheers!